Come test drive this 2012 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.